Hey everyone. Anyways, today is Easter. I am fairly positive this is gonna be a very short video, and I know for a fact I can get it out today. So, here we go. Dr. Pepper Peeps. Let's give it a nice little try, shall we? Alright, so I got it open, and either I am the worst at opening things, but I got it open. Anyways, here, let me give him a whiff. Oh, that's strong. You know when you, okay, very specific. You know when you leave out soda for a day, and then that smell, like, it smells flat. Yeah, it smells like flat soda. Yeah, it smells like flat soda. All right. Trying to, oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's on my hand. Come on. Yep. Come on. Just get undone. Come on. Yep. Yep. Alright. Here he is. He's looking at my soul. He knows what's gonna happen to him. I am so sorry for what I'm about to do to you and what I did to your family. Alright. Let's give it this try. Huh. You know, it doesn't taste anything like Dr. Pepper.